What if I told you that small, consistent changes can bring peace, not panic, when you check your bank account? Do you ever feel like your money disappears before the month even starts? Like you're working hard, but it's still not enough? I get it. I've been there. Today, we're starting simple. 3 frugal habits that anyone can try. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Tip 1. Meal planning for savings. Let's start with food. It's one of the biggest spending leaks and one of the easiest to control. Meal planning isn't just for big families or people with hours to prep. It's a game changer. When you have 10 quiet minutes, maybe grab a cup of coffee or tea and write out 3 to 5 meals you actually like and build your grocery list around them. One tip when planning, try to include a starchy food like rice, potatoes, bread or noodles, or pasta as it's sometimes called. These can be filling and make the meal last longer. You'd be surprised how far a simple stew with meat and potatoes can stretch. It's healthy and filling. And for those who don't know how to cook or are unsure, this is the perfect opportunity to learn a new skill. Avoid midweek store runs. Use what's in your pantry. It's probably more than you think. You'd be surprised how much food and money we throw out without realizing. When you plan your meals, you're not just saving money, you're giving yourself more time and less stress. You're cutting down last-minute decisions and taking back your power. This is one of those small habits that adds up fast. Meal planning isn't just about food, it's about control, peace, and fewer what's for dinner headaches. Tip 2. Set a weekly budget. Next, try a weekly budget, not yearly, not even monthly, weekly. Why? Because it feels manageable. Track what's coming in and going out. You don't need fancy apps. A notebook or a free spreadsheet works just fine. Try to think of what you need or how much you generally spend on groceries. After making a grocery list based on meals, from tip 1, estimate how much it would cost, then add a small buffer for any unexpected costs that might come up. When you know where your money goes, you make decisions with confidence. And if cash works better for you than cards, try the envelope method for essentials. And if you're not sure what that is, don't worry, I'll explain it. It's when you take a few envelopes, write a specific expense category, like groceries or electricity, and put money for it in the envelope for that specific expense. This isn't about punishment or restriction, it's about freedom. When you stick to it, even loosely, you start to trust yourself again. That's the real win. You're saying, I choose how I spend, and that's powerful. Tip 3. Cancel unused subscriptions. Now this one's easy to overlook. Check your subscriptions. Are you really watching all those streaming platforms? Using that gym membership? Got any other unused membership or subscription services you may have forgotten about? Check your credit card or bank statement to see what you pay every month and see if you really need them all. Try canceling just one. Maybe it's $10, $15, even $30 a month. That's money back in your pocket for things that truly matter. It might not seem like much, but those small cuts, they create breathing room. And that breathing room, that's what leads to financial peace. Every bit of waste you remove is a step closer to freedom. And every unnecessary charge you cut is you choosing peace over pressure. And that's a choice worth making. You don't need to do all 3 today. Just start with the one that feels easiest. These aren't giant changes, but they're real, and they work. Start today and pick one of these and try it for just a week. Remember, frugal living isn't about living less. It's about living smarter. You deserve to feel in control of your money, and you can get there, one step at a time. Please share this with anyone else you think might benefit from these tips. Progress doesn't look perfect. Some weeks will feel easy, others won't. But each small step adds up. And even on the hard days, especially on the hard days, just remind yourself, you're not behind. You're becoming. Keep going. I know you can do this. I believe in you.